In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let others duplicate your Notion page. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for personal and professional organization, and sharing your pages can enhance collaboration or simply allow others to benefit from your templates and ideas. Let's walk through the steps to make sure your page is ready to be shared and duplicated by others. First, you'll need to navigate to the Notion page you want to share. Open Notion and locate the page in question. It might be a new project, a well-organized notes repository, or a customized task tracker that you're ready to let others duplicate and use as their own. Once your page is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see a button labeled Share in the upper right corner. Click on this button to start the sharing process. Clicking Share opens up a menu with various options on how you can control access to your page. Now that the menu is open, look for an option that says General Access. Clicking on General Access will display a set of permissions you can modify. To the right of this, you will see an arrow. Clicking this arrow will reveal more detailed settings for sharing your page. To enable others to duplicate your page, you need to make sure the page is accessible to anyone who has the link. Click on the option labeled Anyone on the web with link. This makes your page publicly accessible, allowing anyone with the link to view and duplicate it. Note that this step doesn't automatically allow everyone to edit your page, just to see and duplicate it. Next, you'll want to provide the link to your audience. The easiest way to do this is to click Copy Link. This will copy the shareable link to your clipboard, and you can then paste it into emails, messages, or social media to share with others. Alternatively, if you prefer a more controlled sharing process, you can enter specific email addresses in the section provided. This sends a direct invitation to those emails, giving them access based solely on your invitation. For additional control over who can access your page, you can return to the settings under Manage Access. Within the Manage Access menu, look for Full Access, which will give you the ability to modify permissions and manage who can view or duplicate your page. Keep in mind that sharing with full access gives others the ability to edit the page, so be mindful of this when setting your permissions. Finally, after setting everything up, don't forget to save your changes by clicking Share again. This finalizes all the permission settings you've adjusted. And that's it. Your page is now ready for others to duplicate and use, expanding the benefits of your work to a wider audience.